Good morning, children. How are you all? Have you all fine? Yes. Yes, I am also fine. Thank you. So, what are you doing now, you all? Hmm? After a long time, teacher came to your house. Okay? With British Online Preschool. Okay, first tell me, did you subscribe my channel? Yes, please subscribe my channel so you can get notifications of. If you touch the bell icon, you can get notifications of my videos, so you can get more knowledge with my lessons. Okay, now finally what we learned, I put some videos about sounds. Can you remember the sounds? I have put there, there are 10 sounds. So today from that 10 sounds, first I will remind the sounds. Okay, first I am going to remind them. Okay, tell me, what is the first sound of the alphabet? Can you remember? What is the first sound of the alphabet? Our children, what is the first sound? First sound is A. So can you remember what is A? Let's write in the sky like this. If you want to write the sky like this, that is A. Half circle and stand in line. So the small stand in line, that is A. So what is the next one? It is B. So how to write B? Stand in line, half circle. Stand in line, half circle. I am going to show. Wait, first we will try to do like this. Then I can show the pictures of them. Okay. So the next one, K, only half circle. It's very easy to write. Half circle. And D, it's like B only, but this we have to write for opposite side. What is that? Stand in line, the half circle will come for opposite side of B. So that is D. Stand in line, half circle. That is D. So after D, what will come? A, like this. A. And F. Start from the up, down and cross. Start from here, half circle and down. You want to take a curve here. Take a curve, draw a standing line and cross the standing line. That is F. Then G. How to draw G? First half circle and down standing line and curve. Down you have to make a curve. Half circle, line and curve. That is G. So after G, what will come? H. H means standing line like this. Make a standing line and from the down again come up and go down. That is H. Then your favorite food will start with that letter E. E for ice cream. So draw a line and keep a dot. Draw a standing line for down and keep a dot. E. And the last letter I have taught you in the last our lessons. What is that? J. J. So I am going to show you this all today with nice crafts. Okay. So wait. Now how to write J? Line, curve and dot. That is J. So today I am going to show this all the letters with nice crafts. So today I came why? To remind these letters, and I am going to show you how to enjoy these letters with crafts. Okay, so wait. So first, now the first letter is N. So can you recognize what is this? A for apple. So I made nice apple with like this A letter. So what you need for that, first I use for this red color piece of, that means small piece of cloth, and cut that cloth into small squares. Can you see the squares I have pasted on here? Then I pasted squares and I use watercolors to draw this leaf and the stalk, and there are apple seeds using black color platinum. It's very easy to make this craft and you can enjoy your alphabet sound. What is this? A. So you can make this and you can paste on your wall in your study. There you all have a study area, no? So in your study area you can make like this nice craft and paste. So every day you can see them and every day you can remind them. Okay, so after A, what is the next one? It's nice craft using bird. I made a butterfly using bird. It's very easy. You have to print, or you can draw these letters, get your parents' help, or if you can draw. And the butterfly feathers I pasted here and the areas of it, and it's bird. And what is the next one? It's very nice. See, meow meow. Our lovely pet, it's a cat. I made it. Only you need watercolors for this craft. Okay, so the next one, duh. So can you guess what is this? What I made here? Yes, a dinosaur I made. See, it's nice, no? Using duh. Wow. Only you need a triangles and a tail and a face like this shape. That is duh. And the next one, wow, the small duckling coming out from the egg. Nice, no? The A for egg. So I made nice craft. So after what will come? Fur, no? From the fur we can make a flower like this nicely. See, it's very easy. You need only 5 or 6 petals for this and you can make it. Okay. And your favorite fruit, go for what? Grapes. Wow, see, it's how nice the grapes you can. Only you need small circles to paste like grapes. It's very easy. So I'm going to make my house with letter H. You also can try it. Teacher made teacher's house like this. So go inside and you can stay inside the H. Okay, tell me, there is an animal I made with, I didn't make an ice cream, but I made an animal. Can you find what is this? An iguana. I made an iguana with this. Okay. And nice character finally I made. J for what? You know who's that? The person can make our smile, make us laugh. Who's that? Joker. Wow, see, this is Joker I made with J. So children, are you all happy? So I also want your happiness. So I made this everything for you all. Okay, so you can make this everything and send me of it. Sometimes you can show me, sometimes you can't, but it's okay. You all have to do my works. That is my my happiness. Okay, do them, darling, and I will come with the next video, so you can do this everything and keep practicing always the sounds of the alphabet. So I will come with next letters, sounds, with the crafts and everything. I will come. Okay, so take what you have to do: subscribe my video at YouTube channel and touch the bell icon so you can get all the notifications of my videos. Okay, see you soon and stay safe. Bye.